DIY home decor. Here I am at Walmart. Look at this, the Harvest cookies. Let's look to see what they have. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So I needed to pick up a few things for upcoming collaborations and just in general, because I'm trying to change my way of eating quickly. I like these. I love that peanut butter snack mix, looks delicious. So let's go over here and take a look at all of these pumpkin things that are out right now. Since that's the theme right now is the pumpkins. I love the rolls. So the pumpkin cake rolls are so delicious. So they're $5.84. They have quite a bit of them. I'm not crazy about these cookies, and I don't even know how much they are. They're probably the same price. Oh, these look so delicious. So this is brown butter toffee. Doesn't this look delicious? And look how big they are. I love them. This is pumpkin white chocolate cookie. And look, I think this one is an assortment. So it says $4.98. The assortment, I think, is really nice. I like that. They have some pops over here. Monster rice pops, rice treats. That sounds delicious. And look at this. Here's a kit. These are so adorable, aren't they? I've seen this before. It's the birthday cake ice mini donuts. I think those are adorable. Okay, probably for a video. And I like the candy corn crunch popcorn. So that is $3.98. Some more of the Rice Krispie treats. And look, they have the mini cupcakes. They're vanilla flavor. So they have those. Oh look, peanut brittle. And these are the milk chocolate pretzel rods with caramel. Okay. So these shortbread cookies look delicious. And what are these? So these are cinnamon rolls. Those are really cute too. So these pumpkin cookies. Oh, and look at these half moon cookies. And then we already looked at these, and these are the cupcakes. Let's go around. So they do have them in that orange. Oh look, what's this? So these are $3.98. Pumpkin spice ice cookies. Okay. And what is this down here? Guys, I'm just showing you around. Let's see. Oh, this is a Rice Krispie house. What is that? Caramel French toast Rice Krispie treat. But that's like $3.50 for one piece. Then they have more mixes over here on this side. This is another assortment of cookies. How much is that? $6.47. Okay. Oh, don't these look delicious? So, wow, and there are the Rice Krispie treats for $6.47. This looks so good. I gotta get away from this section, guys, but I did want to show you. Cake pop bites. And I always love these. I cannot have these, but I always love these. Oh my goodness. So we have a collaboration coming up with Quick and Easy Meals. And let me go and pick up the stuff that I need while I'm telling you. So with Quick and Easy Meals, we have a special edition coming up, not this Sunday, but the following Sunday. And that one is all about pumpkin recipes. You can make anything that you want, from cookies to bread to pies. Oh my goodness. You definitely want to join us. I cannot wait to have you. And so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one bag of these radishes. And those are $1.86. And I do have some lettuce at home. So let me just grab some. It's pretty busy in here today. I just need to grab some onions. So let's see. I don't see any sweet onions, but all I need is a bag of the regular cooking onions. I'll grab one of these. All right, let's get out of this aisle. Matthew asked me for ranch dressing. If you want, let's come over here and look at the treats they have in the baking area. I love looking at these. So look at this. Isn't this is so cute. All right, so this, I don't know, I guess you have to, oh, $12.9. You kidding me? $12.97 for this little cake, guys. This is not a big cake. The camera may not be showing that, but this is easy to make at home. And look, they have the chocolate one. And they also have a football cupcakes shaped like a football over there. Let's go around. So look at the chocolate vanilla cupcakes in these colors right here. Some more of those Rice Krispie treats pops. And look, so they have the football, but these are all little cupcakes shaped like the football. Then we have the banana nut muffins, the chocolate chip muffins, and these are $3.98. I like showing this stuff, guys. Not necessarily my shopping trip. These are absolutely delicious. The carrot cake, oh, I love that. And look at these. So I don't think I've seen these. Chocolate chips sandwich cookies. And here's some more carrot cake. All right, so let's see what's behind us here. So they have the smaller, this is really cute, the chocolate chip sandwich cookies. And here's some more of the carrot cake. And look at these. So this is the thumbprint cookies. And here's an assortment of Italian cookies. Those are delicious, guys. Let's see. Not sure how to pronounce these, but these look delicious. And here they are in the pumpkin flavor. And look at this, the Louisiana Crunch Cake. I never had that. All right, so we have the chocolate fudge cake. And then we have the socket to me cake. Never had that either. So here's some angel food cake. Some more of the cupcakes in colors. Oh, look at this one. So strawberry shortcake cupcakes. Oh, and we're getting into the pies, the cobblers. Doesn't that look delicious? And look, the crumb. And this is the red velvet. These are $6.47. And these look absolutely delicious as well. Vanilla Celebration cake squares. I like that. All right, so we have the blackberry cobbler. It's a nice size. $8, $7.98. And then we have the peach cobbler. And here we are, we're getting into the pie. So we have pumpkin, apple, Dutch apple, pecan, blueberry. Oh, and they're $5.87 for the cherry and the blueberry. The pecan is $6.24, and then we get into the brownies. Okay, so $5.83. Here's the turtle brownie, the chocolate peanut butter, and this must be the ultimate chocolate. Look, the Oreo brownies. Oh, look at these. So the cream cheese brownies, and here are some cookies and some muffins. Wow, absolutely delicious. Oh, ooey gooey butter bars. I've never had those. The lemon bars sound delicious. And here are the Rice Krispie treats. I used to make this for my kids when they were younger. And here's some mini eclairs. And here are some peanut butter fudge no bake cookies. So that's the end of this here. Over there you have like the Danishes. Let's go over there and look. So we do have the apple Danish. Doesn't that look delicious? And we have these. Oh my goodness. All right, so let me go ahead and we have to slowly move over here because right there is where they have the bread, the Italian bread I always buy for $1, and I'm gonna grab about 3. 1 minute. Now this is definitely an area I need to look at, so you may as well come with me. So on the bottom here we have the condensed milk. This is the evaporated milk, and that is the sweet condensed milk. So then we have some sugar cookies. Look at this pumpkin spice, $2.47. I think I'm gonna grab one of these. Pumpkin spice cookie mix. Or I can grab the cake mix. And here's the bread, pumpkin bread. I'm not sure. Let's keep looking and then I'll decide. So we have your regular cake mix here, and then you have the dressing. Here you have the pumpkin bread. Here you have the famous fudge, and then you have some along the top. Here's vanilla extract and some Carol Light corn syrup. This looks delicious. And it's $4.32. Well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab that. But you got some chewy brownies. And then you have some pie filling, and you even have the graham cracker shell. So you know what? I think I'm gonna grab the graham cracker shell. And I think I'm gonna grab this, the no bake jello. So it looks pretty easy, no bake. Just trying to see if I need to pick up anything. Yep, I got the graham cracker crust, so I'm gonna grab a box of that. All right, so, let me just turn this cart in here. I need to grab some olive oil, but let's go over here and finish the, all right, so, we have the chocolate chip, we have the nuts right here, and look at this. What is that? Pumpkin maple bisque. Doesn't that sound delicious? Oh my goodness, you got some spices there, some cinnamon and some black pepper. Here is the packed pumpkin. I am gonna grab 2 of these. Has to say 100% pure packed pumpkin. I need 2 of these. I'll grab them after I show you this side right here. All right, so here we have the cookie mix. I don't like any of that creepy stuff. So we have some marshmallows and we have some icing. You have the snickerdoodle cookie mix, the pumpkin spice, the sugar. Look, the cinnamon roll cake mix. Guys, I'm trying to do this easy because I don't have very much time that I work with. So this time around, well, there's no cooking from scratch. Autumn sprinkles. All right. So that's pretty much all they have here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 cans of the packed pumpkin. All right. And then we're gonna move on over here to this aisle. I never had ghee. I wanted to try this, but we're not gonna try this today. Let me just grab some of the olive oil, the classic olive oil, great value. All right. Here's the keto friendly. I would prefer doing keto. And they even have a swerve now. So they didn't used to have the swerve mix. So the Duncan Hines keto friendly one is $5.92 and this one is $6.17. But this is cookie mix. Now the zero sugar cake mix sounds kind of good, but I think I have something I'm gonna work with. All right, let's keep it moving, guys. Okay, guys, so I stopped and got the Better Goods almond milk, vanilla, unsweetened. Then I got some mozzarella cheese because I'm going to make a recipe with that. Then I got a big bag of the shredded sharp cheddar because Matthew likes that. And then I just got a pack of this smoked ham for sandwiches. I do still have cheese at home, and we're pretty much done, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.